I ordered my DualLiner on a Thursday. Was very excited to have it arrive on a Sunday, which was before President's Day, so I knew I had an extra day to put it in if I needed it. As it turned out, I only needed about 45 minutes, which was great. I chose this because even though the F-150 is now an all aluminum frame, I learned from my trade-in that the scratches work very much against you, and I wanted to protect this new vehicle from the scratches I knew were inevitable as I used it. We will see that it fits very snugly. I had tried another one of the heavy-duty pads only to find that there was a visible half-inch to 1-inch gap all the way around the bed, which I knew was going to be a problem. The DualLiner fits like a glove. The only challenge was there at the power adapters. There was a need for some drilling out of the side molding, but as you can see, it very effectively fits.